Okay, so this is another day for our research. You should already have slide 5 done, where you have the country that you were assigned typed in here, your partner's name, along with what other country you are researching, and then your partner's choice. Now remember, they are different from each other, and also you cannot pick the Falkland Islands or French Guiana. So you want to have all of the South American countries and territories listed here. It doesn't need to be alphabetical order. It doesn't need to be in size order. Just listed here, 1 through 14. So what you are going to do today is you are going to compare your two countries, your assigned country and your choice country, to the United States. And you are going to use the website to compare them. So I would do the first, I would do the purple box first. And let's pretend that the first box is Brazil, like my assigned country was Brazil. It says use this website to compare each of the countries you listed on the last slide to the US. Click on the website, then click on Get Started and choose Americas. Click on your country and use the tabs underneath the countries to be compared. So there's 3. There's quality of life, cost of living, and the size comparison. So if you notice, the questions are the same. It's just for the purple box, you are comparing Brazil to the United States. For the blue box, or your assigned country, for me, I'm pretending it's Brazil. And the blue box is your choice country. So we're going to pretend that it's Peru. So the questions are, is your country, don't want to move that, sorry. Is your country bigger or smaller than the US? So you're going to use the tab size comparison, and you should see that it's the same. Explain if you think people in this country are healthier or unhealthier than the US. You'll use a tab quality of life, and it's under the topic health. Third question, explain if you think people in this country are richer or poorer than people in the US. So the quality of life tab, and that's under economy. So you will click on the link and it will take you to mylifeelsewhere.com, and this is where you'll hit get started. And you'll see at the top there's world, Asia, Europe, Americas, Africa, and oceans. We need Americas. So we click on America and you'll see that the countries change. Now, our first country that was given to us, was assigned to us, was Brazil. So you'll find Brazil and you will compare the United States to Brazil. So you will click on it and it will take you to the site. The cool thing about this is it shows you on the map where they're located. So you'll see Brazil's there and the United States is there. And it's here are the 3 tabs: quality of life, cost of living, size comparison. Okay. So the first question, it says use the size comparison. So you'll go to the website and you will see quality of life, cost of living, and size comparison. So you'll click on size comparison. And you are going to read this information here because it will tell you, like it says, the United States is around the same size as Brazil. So you'll read the information that it gives you, look at it on the map, and then go and answer the question. Now you still want to stay in Brazil and do all of Brazil. So then it says, it says quality of life tab health. So we are going to go back up here and go quality of life, scroll down, and these 2 things talk about health. You could also even look at life, like if you lived in Brazil instead of the United States, you are over 3 times more likely to die during childbirth. If you're a female, you are 3 times more likely to die during infancy in Brazil than you are in the United States. Health-wise, you are 39% less likely to be obese. Now remember, if you don't know what obese means, you may look up that word using a dictionary.com or collinsdictionary.com and just look up what obese means. Remember green means good, whereas red means like it's not good compared to the United States. And then the last question, it says quality of life economy. So this is where you're going to look under the economy and you'll read the information about the economy and determine whether you think that they are richer or poorer in Brazil or your assigned country. And then once you're done with that, once you've answered the 3 questions, you're going to answer the 3 questions for Peru. So then you'll go back up where it says United States, you want to keep that, but compared to, you can type in your chosen. So I chose Peru. I can type it in, hit Peru, and then it will bring me up the information, and I can do the same thing that I did before. Okay, so that is what you are working on. You are comparing the countries to the United States using the websites.